In the ever-evolving landscape of weight management solutions, Ozempic has emerged as a game-changer. This once-weekly injectable medication, approved by the FDA, has gained immense popularity for its remarkable ability to aid in weight loss and improve overall health. As someone seeking a comprehensive approach to achieving a healthier lifestyle, understanding the process of obtaining an Ozempic prescription is crucial. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of how to get prescribed Ozempic for weight loss. We will explore the benefits of this medication, the various avenues to acquire a prescription, and the essential steps to ensure a successful journey towards your weight loss goals. Understanding the benefits of Ozempic for weight loss before embarking on the process of obtaining an Ozempic prescription, it is essential to grasp the profound impact this medication can have on your weight loss endeavors. Ozempic, a glucagon-like peptide-1, GLP-1, receptor agonist, works by mimicking the effects of natural hormones in the body, thereby regulating appetite, promoting feelings of fullness, and slowing down digestion. Beyond its primary function of weight management, Ozempic has been shown to offer additional benefits, such as improved glycemic control for individuals with type 2 diabetes, reduction in cardiovascular risk factors, including lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels, potential for sustained weight loss when combined with a healthy lifestyle. By understanding the multifaceted advantages of Ozempic, you can make an informed decision about whether this medication aligns with your overall health objectives. How to get prescribed Ozempic for weight loss. A step-by-step guide. Obtaining an Ozempic prescription is a straightforward process, but it requires following specific steps to ensure a successful outcome. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. Consult with a healthcare professional. The first and most crucial step is to schedule an appointment with a licensed healthcare provider, such as a primary care physician, endocrinologist, or weight management specialist. During this consultation, be prepared to discuss your medical history, current weight, and weight loss goals. Your healthcare provider will evaluate your eligibility for Ozempic based on factors such as your body mass index, BMI, presence of any underlying medical conditions, and overall health status. Undergo necessary tests and evaluations. Depending on your individual circumstances, your healthcare provider may recommend undergoing certain tests or evaluations to determine the appropriate course of treatment. These may include blood tests to assess your glucose levels, liver function, and kidney function, as well as a physical examination to identify any potential contraindications or risk factors. Discuss treatment options and obtain a prescription. If your healthcare provider deems Ozempic a suitable option for your weight loss goals, they will provide you with a prescription. This prescription will specify the dosage, administration instructions, and any necessary precautions or monitoring requirements. It is essential to follow your healthcare provider's instructions carefully and address any concerns or questions you may have during this stage. Obtain the medication. Once you have a valid prescription, you can obtain Ozempic from a licensed pharmacy. Depending on your insurance coverage and preferences, you may choose to fill the prescription at a local pharmacy or opt for a mail-order service. It is advisable to discuss the cost and potential savings options with your healthcare provider or pharmacist. Follow up and monitor progress. Ozempic is a long-term treatment, and regular follow-up appointments with your healthcare provider are crucial to monitor your progress, address any side effects, and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Adhering to a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, will enhance the effectiveness of Ozempic and contribute to sustainable weight loss. Remember, obtaining an Ozempic prescription is a collaborative process between you and your healthcare provider. Open communication, honesty about your medical history, and a commitment to following the prescribed treatment plan are essential for achieving successful weight loss outcomes. Exploring online options to get Ozempic without insurance while obtaining an Ozempic prescription through a licensed healthcare provider is the recommended and safest approach. Some individuals may explore online options to acquire the medication without insurance coverage. However, it is crucial to exercise caution and due diligence when considering these alternatives. One option is to seek out reputable online telemedicine platforms that connect patients with licensed healthcare providers who can evaluate their eligibility and, if appropriate, provide a valid prescription for Ozempic. These platforms often offer virtual consultations and may be more affordable than traditional in-person visits, particularly for those without insurance coverage. Another avenue is to explore legitimate online pharmacies that operate within legal and regulatory frameworks. These pharmacies may offer Ozempic at discounted prices, but it is essential to verify their legitimacy, licensing, and adherence to proper handling and storage protocols for the medication. It is important to note that obtaining Ozempic or any prescription medication without a valid prescription from a licensed healthcare provider is illegal and can pose significant health risks. Additionally, purchasing medications from unverified or illegitimate sources can expose you to counterfeit or substandard products, which can be harmful or ineffective. If you choose to explore online options for obtaining Ozempic without insurance, exercise extreme caution, conduct thorough research, and prioritize your safety and well-being above all else. Finding doctors that prescribe Ozempic near you. If you prefer to obtain an Ozempic prescription through traditional in-person consultations, finding a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable and experienced in prescribing this medication is crucial. Here are some tips to help you locate doctors that prescribe Ozempic near you. Ask for referrals. Reach out to your primary care physician, local pharmacists, or trusted healthcare professionals for referrals to doctors or clinics that specialize in weight management or endocrinology. These professionals may have valuable insights into reputable providers in your area who are familiar with prescribing Ozempic. Utilize online resources. Several online directories and platforms can assist you in finding doctors that prescribe Ozempic near your location. These resources often provide information about the healthcare provider's specialties, credentials, and patient reviews, allowing you to make an informed decision. Check with local hospitals and medical centers. Many hospitals and medical centers have dedicated weight management or endocrinology departments staffed by specialists who are well-versed in prescribing Ozempic. Contacting these facilities directly can help you identify qualified healthcare providers in your area. Explore telemedicine options. In some cases, you may be able to connect with healthcare providers who can prescribe Ozempic through telemedicine platforms. These virtual consultations can be convenient and accessible, especially if you live in an area with limited local options. When scheduling an appointment with a healthcare provider for an Ozempic prescription, be prepared to discuss your medical history, weight loss goals, and any concerns or questions you may have. It is also advisable to inquire about their experience in prescribing Ozempic and their approach to monitoring and supporting patients throughout the treatment process. Getting an Ozempic prescription online with insurance. If you have health insurance coverage, obtaining an Ozempic prescription online can be a convenient and accessible option. Many healthcare providers and telemedicine platforms offer virtual consultations and prescription services, allowing you to access the necessary care from the comfort of your own home. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process of getting an Ozempic prescription online with insurance. Research reputable telemedicine platforms. Start by identifying reputable telemedicine platforms that offer virtual consultations with licensed healthcare providers. Look for platforms that specialize in weight management or endocrinology services, as they are more likely to have providers experienced in prescribing Ozempic. Verify insurance coverage. Before scheduling an appointment, confirm that the telemedicine platform accepts your insurance plan. Many platforms provide clear information about accepted insurance providers on their websites or through customer service channels. Prepare for the virtual consultation. Gather all relevant medical records, including your current weight, BMI, and any existing health conditions. Be prepared to discuss your weight loss goals, lifestyle habits, and any concerns or questions you may have about Ozempic. Attend the virtual consultation. During the virtual appointment, the healthcare provider will review your medical history, assess your eligibility for Ozempic, and address any questions or concerns you may have. If deemed appropriate, they will provide you with a valid prescription for Ozempic. Submit the prescription to your insurance provider. Once you have received the prescription, follow the instructions provided by the telemedicine platform or healthcare provider to submit the prescription to your insurance provider for coverage. Obtain the medication. Depending on your insurance plan's requirements, you may be able to have the medication delivered directly to your home or pick it up from a local pharmacy. Follow up and monitor progress. As with any medical treatment, it is essential to maintain open communication with your healthcare provider and attend any recommended follow-up appointments, whether virtual or in person. This will allow them to monitor your progress, address any side effects, and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. By leveraging telemedicine platforms and virtual consultations, you can access the care and support you need for obtaining an Ozempic prescription while enjoying the convenience and flexibility of receiving treatment from the comfort of your own home. Tips for getting on Ozempic. Successfully embarking on an Ozempic treatment journey can be a transformative experience, but it's essential to approach it with the right mindset and preparation. Here are some valuable tips to help you get on Ozempic successfully. Educate yourself. Before starting Ozempic, take the time to thoroughly understand how the medication works, its potential side effects, and the importance of adhering to the prescribed dosage and administration schedule. Knowledge is power, and being well-informed will help you manage expectations and make informed decisions throughout your treatment. Commit to a healthy lifestyle. While Ozempic can be an effective tool for weight loss, it is not a magic solution. Combining the medication with a balanced diet and regular exercise routine is crucial for achieving sustainable and long-term results. Develop a personalized plan that incorporates healthy eating habits and physical activity to maximize the benefits of Ozempic. Stay hydrated. Ozempic can cause dehydration, especially in the initial stages of treatment. Make sure to drink plenty of water and stay hydrated throughout the day to mitigate potential side effects and support overall well-being. Manage side effects. Some common side effects of Ozempic include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. While these side effects are generally mild and temporary, it's essential to discuss strategies with your healthcare provider for managing them effectively. Adjusting your diet, staying hydrated, and taking over-the-counter medications as recommended can help alleviate discomfort. Build a support system. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be challenging, both physically and emotionally. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, or a support group that can provide encouragement, accountability, and a listening ear throughout your Ozempic treatment. Be patient and persistent. Weight loss with Ozempic is a gradual process, and results may vary from person to person. Remain patient and persistent, and trust the process. Celebrate small victories along the way, and remember that consistency and perseverance are key to achieving your desired outcomes. Communicate with your healthcare provider. Maintain open and regular communication with your healthcare provider throughout your Ozempic treatment. Report any concerning side effects, discuss any challenges or concerns you may have, and seek guidance on adjusting your treatment plan if necessary. By following these tips and working closely with your healthcare provider, you can increase your chances of successfully navigating the Ozempic treatment journey and achieving your weight loss goals while prioritizing your overall health and well-being. Frequently asked questions about obtaining an Ozempic prescription. As you embark on your journey to obtain an Ozempic prescription, it's natural to have questions and concerns. Here are some frequently asked questions, FAQs, that can help address common queries and provide valuable insights. Is Ozempic covered by insurance? Ozempic is typically covered by most insurance plans, including Medicare and Medicaid. However, coverage and out-of-pocket costs can vary depending on your specific insurance plan and the dosage prescribed. It's essential to check with your insurance provider to understand the details of your coverage and any associated copays or deductibles. Can I get Ozempic without a prescription? No, you cannot legally obtain Ozempic without a valid prescription from a licensed healthcare provider. Attempting to acquire Ozempic without a prescription can put your health at risk and may result in legal consequences. How much does Ozempic cost without insurance? The cost of Ozempic without insurance can be significant, ranging from several hundred to over $1,000 per month, depending on the dosage and pharmacy. However, there are patient assistance programs and discount options available that can help make the medication more affordable for those without insurance coverage. Can I get an Ozempic prescription online? Yes, it is possible to obtain an Ozempic prescription online through reputable telemedicine platforms or virtual consultations with licensed healthcare providers. These services can be convenient and accessible, especially for those with limited access to in-person healthcare providers. How long does it take to get an Ozempic prescription? The timeline for obtaining an Ozempic prescription can vary depending on the healthcare provider's availability and the specific process they follow. In general, you can expect to receive your prescription within a few days to a week after your initial consultation, provided that you meet the eligibility criteria and there are no additional tests or evaluations required. Can I get Ozempic from a weight loss clinic? Yes, many weight loss clinics and specialized weight management centers offer Ozempic as part of their treatment programs. These clinics often have healthcare providers who are experienced in prescribing and monitoring Ozempic for weight loss purposes. Are there any age restrictions for getting an Ozempic prescription? Ozempic is currently approved for adults aged 18 and older for the treatment of type 2 diabetes and obesity. However, healthcare providers may consider prescribing Ozempic to younger individuals on a case-by-case basis, taking into account their overall health, weight, and potential benefits and risks. Remember, it's always best to consult with a licensed healthcare provider and discuss your specific circumstances and concerns regarding obtaining an Ozempic prescription. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that you receive the appropriate treatment and support throughout your weight loss journey. Conclusion: taking the first step towards a healthier you with Ozempic. As we conclude our comprehensive guide on how to get prescribed Ozempic for weight loss, it's important to recognize the significance of taking that first step towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. Ozempic has proven to be a powerful ally in the battle against obesity and its associated health risks, but it is not a solitary solution. Embracing a holistic approach that combines the benefits of Ozempic with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a supportive network is crucial for achieving sustainable and long-term success. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can navigate the process of obtaining an Ozempic prescription with confidence and ensure that you receive the proper care and guidance from licensed healthcare professionals. Remember, your journey towards a healthier you is unique, and it requires patience, perseverance, and a commitment to making positive changes in your lifestyle. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, and keep your focus on the ultimate goal of improved overall well-being. If you're ready to take the first step towards a healthier you, click here, https://example.com/Ozempic consultation, to schedule a virtual consultation with one of our licensed healthcare providers. Our team of experts will guide you through the process of obtaining an Ozempic prescription and provide personalized support throughout your weight loss journey. Embrace the power of Ozempic, but remember that true transformation lies within you. With dedication, determination, and the right support system, you can unlock the doors to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. The journey may not be easy, but the rewards of improved health, increased confidence, and a renewed zest for life make it all worthwhile. Take that first step today, and let Ozempic be the catalyst that propels you towards a brighter, healthier future. The path may be challenging, but with the right mindset and resources, you can overcome any obstacle and emerge victorious in your pursuit of a better, healthier you.